to audition for the SpongeBob role.
Hardly. I've seen clams with more talent than you. But since the role specifically calls for a real sponge, the part is yours. Here's the script. We start shooting tomorrow at 10. Don't be late.
Look at the sponge can making this town. I'm gonna be a star.
Understand the producers of Galaxy, Mr. SpongeBob's Gold Comics. I'm sure the viewing audience would love to know. How does it feel to be the next big thing? Fantastic.
SpongeBob! Hey, SpongeBob! You say something?
Yes, I did, Patrick. I said, you're looking at the new face of television.
All right!
Well, better go home and get some UV sleep.
Yeah! Beauty sleep!
That's right. You are looking at a changed sponge. But don't worry, I won't forget all the people who helped me on the way out.